We gonna play the game, the PlayStation all day. With the Metal Gear Solid to Tekken 3. And from Omega Boost to Resident Evil. Just play for the fun, cause we got it going on.
And just like that, a $20 laser on eBay fixed it just fine. So how long it was this laser that was broken. I'm not an expert. I'm not sure what caused the issue, but it's working now, so I'm pretty happy. Now it's time to put this thing back together.
All of the world, come on, represent our world. We gonna live in the game of no precision.
So here's the old beauty. It's crazy to think that this has been my dad's PS1 for I don't know how many years. It served me well. What ended up happening is I first bought a spindle thinking maybe that's the issue, but I was kind of stupid. But I'll just leave it on there. Maybe one day I need a replacement. I might take the back cover off and put on this older one if I reopen it, but at the moment I'm just going to leave it on there. It's crazy. I remember I discovered it one year and it ran just fine. And one of these days, one of those days, the spindle, like these little bolts here, just fell off and fell all into the crevices of this PS1 laser. I don't know if it messed up anything, but after that it stopped working completely. So I thought I took a gamble and bought one on eBay. And I was very skeptical because I saw the comments are saying this it doesn't work, it's shit, you know, it's crappy, all that sort of thing. So I'm glad to see that this thing actually works, because if you saw, well, wait a minute, listen to that sound. All that sound. It would run for 5 seconds, then turn off when I hit the manual button. So this is really cool. It's so great seeing this thing back in action. It's been in a box for I don't know how many years after it stopped working. And yeah, it looks really good. Honestly, it looks just about like the original. Maybe the same manufacturer made this. I don't know, but it looks pretty sweet. Oh. Bam! Alright, so I got my new Orion, I don't know how to say it right, the remote, because you can't manually switch the controls to aux, which is the default channel to play games and stuff on with the cables, AV cables. So let's go ahead and do the moment of truth. Oops, sorry. Alright, got that on. Alright, it's been at least more than 10 years, I would say at least 12 maybe, or more, that I've last played on TV like this. Let's turn the volume all the way up. Oh, son of a... Holy crap. PS2 hooked up. And I will say, the PS2 looks a lot better. It's less bulkier, and for some reason it just looks a lot better. I think because the PS2 has a smoothing feature that's not on the PS1, because PS2s go to up to like 480p. PS1s are only limited to 240p definition. So I don't know why this camera does that. It's weird. It flashes, but that's weird. This was my favorite disc back in the day. It was, I think, number 6, I think, of the PlayStation Underground demo disc sampler. And Lord, I played this thing growing up to death, and I accidentally broke it one day, and I got a replacement about that many years ago to finally play it again. And yeah, this thing's awesome.
Bye.